Hi everybody, Melissa here. Today I'm doing nails for my friend Robyn. If you've ever watched my lives, you'll see me do her nails a lot. She wanted a fall, very fall-y kind of look today, so we are going for the fall colors. Where is that? I'll show you the colors that we've used so far. We have, here's her other hand, you can see Zooty Sizzle, and then I have Dip Vana, it's called Autumn Kisses, and then we're doing this accent nail. I'm going to show you guys how we've done that right now. I'm going to be using, I'm not quite sure yet, I have these different glitters out. I have Double Dip's Radiance, Lady Glitter Sparkles, and of course Autumn Kisses here, which I'm going to be using, and then some of the foils from Golden Ticket from Double Dipped as well. And we're just going to be kind of sprinkling it on. I'm going to be using my cuticle pusher, the scoop end of it, to get this look. So I'm going to start by painting on a layer of dip base, and I'm going to let it dry. And you guys will see me do this a lot in my videos, because when you're either painting on the bare nail or on layers of dip that already have activator in it, your base layer is going to dry quicker and you're going to have less time to work with the layer. And I want to make sure that I have enough time to work with and sprinkle colors on before the base dries. So I'm just going to give that 1 second to dry. Alright, so this first layer, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to take my Autumn Kisses. I'm going to go ahead and paint on another layer of base here. I'm going to take my little scooper. I'm just going to get a little bit of this in the end here. I don't want a ton. I don't want to like dump a whole bunch on. I'm going to be very particular about where I drop this. And I'm going to kind of just gently tap so that it falls off the edge and goes onto the nail up kind of in a line, going up the nail a bit. It doesn't have to be perfect. It's going to look kind of rough, and it's going to be underneath some foil and stuff, so but you want there to be enough there that it really shows the color well. And then I'm going to get a little bit more and come down from the other side here and do it again. And then I'm going to gently tap off the excess if there is any. And then I have a little jar of clear, and I'm just going to pour clear over the top. It's almost similar to kind of a marbling effect, and this can be used as a marbling technique, and I'll probably be doing a technique similar to it soon. But for now, we're just kind of doing a nice kind of clear look on the nail with some designs over it. So we just have a little bit of the red peeking through there, or the maroon, or whatever you would call it. I'm going to pin on another layer of base. And grab a little bit of glitter. I'm going to go with Radiance. I'm just going to grab a little bit at the end, same way as I did before, and tap it on in kind of a line on the nail. Here and there. And then we're going to pour the clear over again. Alright, I like that. I'm gonna do one more and add just a little bit of a larger glitter, Lady Glitter Sparkles here, just a touch here and there. to give it a little extra sparkle. A little on the top, a little on the bottom. That just bounced some onto the center, but it's okay because it looks good. Yeah, happy accidents. We're like Bob Ross over here. Okay. So I'm gonna cover these up. Now I have my foil flakes from Golden Ticket, but I'm just gonna kind of place randomly. Got some tweezers here. I'm gonna use that. Don't want to cover up my red lines really with the foil. Trying not to. Okay, we're going to do the clear one more time. Over the top of that. Now you're welcome to actually, if you're so inclined, if you feel like you need to do a lot of filing, you can do another layer of clear on top. I only plan to file the free edges here because the nail is pretty smooth, because this clear is pretty smooth. So I'm just gonna brush her off. Activate. And then file the free edges. And that's good for me. I think that's enough. Next, I will activate and just top coat all of her nails. Okay, and here's our finished product. It's a pretty nice, easy fall accent nail. Anyway, thank you for joining me as always. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any questions at all, feel free to ask them in the comments.